area. What's the
Today we're talking about 2017. What are your plans?
What up, my people? Thank you for joining me again for another edition of the talk show. As now, my name is Peter Pan, and I still watch Peter Pan TV. Charity in the house, and they come up from home. Maybe before you go, they find out for us, my brother. You first check whether you get them for your house first. You they understand me? Now, maybe the first son of Edo and Akoko Edo Igara, my brother. If he pay you or you they doubt me, hey, you go call the palace be that. You understand? For Benin, we they say a girl, time you not day. Na im make you go wait we dey come back because time dey make we come shele una the kind news wey we get for today. I dey come back. Yes, so many of una know the former governor of Abia State wey dey call Orji Uzor Kalu. Make una help me celebrate because una know say Nigeria na country of miraculous miracle. You dey understand me now? So the same people wey come put am for kiri now, the same people now don decide now say 4 months na 12 years. You dey understand me now? So na the celebration wey we just dey wey be say we dey do be that now. You dey understand me now? Na him be this Orji Uzor Kalu. Sir, you are welcome, sir. So una know say this man was recently sentenced to 12 years for money laundering of about how much be that money again? 7.65 billion naira. You know how much be that money? I say correct, oga. You sabi thief o. You understand me now? These are the people we say we really need in the thieving industry. You understand me now? So they go thief, they go fight the case, and then they go still find their way out. When I know say EFCC don't come outside say they are technically defeated on this case, say they go arrest this man, retry am again. I say correct. Now the country will be that way the movie, the end. Even when the actor, he don't die, he can't wake up. You don't understand me now? Even when actor call keep Bose, even say Bose that the movie, the end. They get part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Until NEPA cause is like they not gonna get it, they won't talk again. You don't understand me now? Technically defeated in court. Now wetin EFCC talk now. You don't understand? You know since this Buhari government come na technicality now come to the rule Nigeria. You don't understand me now? Everything is technical. You don't get me now? So now the matter is the ground be that. And I go tell another thing again, say still on this Orji Uzor matter, this guy don't go resume office as the chief whip of Nigeria Senate. This one a criminal, supposed criminal. You don't understand me now? Let me see, I dey beg my people wey dey out there, my friends. You dey get me now? If una wan steal, una steal big money. If you wan be my friend, say you wan thief money, steal big money. Don't be like those guys wey go Kogi, First Bank. They go dey waste bullet, go dey shout. You wan take how much? Coins. You no let person hear word. Somebody now take money now. Now, 7.65 billion naira compared to wetin the little money this boy go collect for inside bag. You understand me now? You go say this people now they kill 8 people now they take some money they come out. Orji Uzor Kalu now take 7.65 billion naira. Imagine how many people you don't kill for your own state when you come out from your own community, because those money now to feed people, now to build road and infrastructure, now to make sure say people get good life. No. Now you tell me now, who be the real criminal here now? Who kill more and stole more, but he not shout? I go to tell some people, when you want thief better thief. You don't understand me now? Orji Uzor Kalu, we dey look you. You understand me now? God they look you. So you know say you no get what you want to do now. The same people will put you there. They just made drama. And for those of now they take Panadol for another man headache. That's how they convict them. Hey, Buhari government is fighting corruption. Hey, Buhari is going. Hey, corruption is going. Sure, you don't see for yourself now, B. You don't see for yourself now, B. Corruption. They even celebrate. They do party. They kick out. I go there. I go the party. If you see cow, if you see meat, we drink to stupor. Everybody shop as in we even make I shock you. Some men of God come there come pray. The same people wey be say they cannot go prison, they come there come shake and say say na movie na stage, so Now the final stage, now you don't cross. So everything don't finish. I say, hey. But now me and you, common poor masses, when we steal Maggi, now still the same me and you, we call they kill ourselves. I may see say big man, they go for big man. You don't understand me now? Because our mumu, he not do. They don't bring her come back now. Waiting now. Continue looting. My people more come on, more leave this man. Now in time you just see how they thought I not see the way they look me. you know see the way I not blame her now. I not blame her. Oh come on here. Another news where just dey hot now. You understand me now? Another way dey hot now. Now this Mayetti Allah. Oh, not the Mayetti Allah president now. Mr. Bello Abdullahi Bodejo. You don't understand me? You know, say recently this guy come out come talk say Fulani na for Nigeria or Nigeria for Fulani or na then get Nigeria and then get Fulani. I know you know it. So this one are people will be say the only contribution where they get for the Nigeria economy na cow. You don't understand me now? Na just cow where they rear. The same cow say they not get grass where they take they feed them. Now we come up for the other side and see they produce grass where they take they feed all this cow where they take they waka up and down. You don't come and tell us in Nigeria. I say if for those of now who don't know the man, I be this. This is Abdullahi Bodejo. You know they see cap. You be like all this cap will take go the fetch water for all those rock for my village that year. This man now the same way the vessel. He don't come out again. He say not talk more. He say not being told say Fulani belong to Nigeria or Nigeria belong to Fulani. He say not talk that word. I say sure. This man you don't talk truth. Why you call they change the topic now? Because see, for those of us who be say we get sense where our mumu don't do. Like me and the Sowore, me and the Kano. You don't with Ojuku. You understand me? I know that we na the wrong things. You don't see why we can't tell you, say, may we share ourselves, may we remove ourselves for these people. Many of una, may we leave even all these outside people now because you know your fair work with them. Now we be say we come from the same area. Your own brother, I go see they against you. Now you no go want your progress, you no go want support you, you no go want follow you, do anything where you they do. You don't understand me now? Now with the same way. Now maybe Biafra no come. Same way we dey here, they arrest Sowore, nobody. Even when Sowore call for protest, nobody go. And yet, we dey fight this man, say why he talk, say Fulani belongs to Nigeria. If Fulani no belongs to Nigeria, now who he belongs to? Now you have been at me, or now we. There is nothing like we. When Kanu come propose idea, we know they buy him. Sowore come propose idea. It be like say even we Nigerians safe, we just prefer to just dey suffer. So when we want come, hi, my brother na Fulani get Nigeria. Anyhow you want take am. You don't understand me now? I don't get am. You for not talk say you not talk am. You for not say you not talk am. You don't already talk this thing because they say you not talk am. Now the truth that you dey talk so. May I believe you. I believe what you talk. It is time for us to sit up and know what we want. Who dey rule Nigeria? Na Fulani. If na somebody like from south or southeast, na him talk this one. What this guy talk now? They will say na treason. He don't commit treason. Let them go arrest him. He don't talk this one now. They not doing anything. So who they rule the country? Fulani. Who get the country? Fulani. Who is going to be the owner of the country? Fulani. Even the next president is from where? Fulani. You know why? Me and you, we don't want to take our step. We too dey fear. Fear na go kill us. What come on here? Yes, so I know say recently now so rape now just dey go on everywhere. The rape wey just the rate where the thing just dey increase now, They rape, they kill, they colobi, they kill, you understand me now? You know say recently one happen for Edo. They talk that one, it never finish. Now one of my father in the Lord, one Bishop Elijah Ohonigbe from Delta State. Oh boy, if you see the name of a church, even me, I respect myself. I can't wonder, say, so, you know, say one time I want open church, when I reach the registrar office, my brothers, all the name, you know, they're available again for me. I almost use Peter Pan self, they open Peter Pan ministry. I'm telling you. See, only church now victory, revival, fasting, and prayer ministry. Only one church. How the man not go misbehave? Where he carry name, where they confuse everybody. Even the name self, they confuse them. He confuse them to the extent he see 19 years old girl. He want go Kolobi. He say whether they say na him wife, I don't know. You know, so as the name don't too plenty now, so confusion they always come. Only you one. He say one pray for one girl in the name of deliverance. For those of una wey be say we don't tell that your pastor get blood where they flow for him body. Me now wey just they look me now. Tomorrow I'll be your pastor. You trust me? You're playing with fire. Don't trust me, oh. Now make I tell you. Most I know they trust them. So long as not be your blood, same father, same mother, even if now your uncle not trust and run. Now you want Kolobi this girl. You go Kolobi this girl myself. He can't run like Usain Bolt for some time. Now police can't nab him. You don't understand me now? Last, they don't catch him. So when we go to tell una, make una stay safe, stay careful. No, it's my daddy in the Lord. Your daddy in the Lord, is he a ghost? Is he a spirit? Is he Jesus Christ? Even the angel wey dey heaven say misbehave. Now they take shoot him down. They deport him straight. Now this is not today deportation start. No, it don't start from heaven since now. The devil will know now according to their story. You understand me now? As he make shooting, and they deport him straight. They discharge him. Come here now, come they talk say, it's my daddy in the Lord. It's my daddy in the Lord. I trust him. He cannot do anything. Go meet him for a room. Open your cloth now. Now deliverance, you want to deliver this guy. Say because this guy what did they call himself? He get a spiritual this thing one day. I say yes, lady brothers, Mahika lady brothers. In the boss ha get out. Now you take go call of the guy. They will tell na something another year. Man, take careful, and you, Elijah, be bishop, be a honeygi. Even the name of your church self is confusing me. You understand me? So may you try that way under your leg. If not true, you say you need deliverance. You have to deliver yourself first before you say you want to go to deliver people. You understand me? Because if you don't deliver yourself first, nah. Not be the one they talk, so I'll come up for you.